Every year, millions of servings of Bob Evans mashed potatoes are produced in the United States. What looks like a simple home-style side dish is actually the result of a carefully engineered food manufacturing process. From farm-selected russet potatoes to steam cooking, controlled mashing, and rapid chilling, every stage is designed for consistency, safety, and flavor. This is how Bob Evans mashed potatoes are made, step by step. Bob Evans begins with carefully selected russet potatoes, sourced from trusted U.S. farms. These potatoes are chosen for their high starch content, low moisture, and neutral flavor, ideal for producing smooth, creamy mashed potatoes. Only potatoes that meet strict size, maturity, and quality standards are approved for processing. Upon arrival at the facility, truckloads of russet potatoes are unloaded into a controlled intake system. A regulated potato waterfall feeds the processing line evenly, preventing bruising and ensuring a consistent flow rate. This controlled intake protects the raw product and keeps downstream equipment running smoothly. Before processing, potatoes enter temperature-controlled storage areas where humidity and airflow are carefully managed. From storage, automated sizing machines separate potatoes by diameter. Uniform sizing ensures even peeling, cooking, and texture in the final mash. The potatoes move into a multi-stage industrial wash system. High-pressure water jets and rotating brushes remove soil, debris, and surface contaminants. Filtered and recycled water systems maintain cleanliness while meeting food safety regulations. Clean potatoes enter sealed steam peeling chambers. High-pressure steam loosens the potato skins within seconds. A rapid pressure release causes the skins to detach naturally, minimizing waste and preserving potato flesh. Even with automation, human inspection remains critical. Trained workers visually inspect each potato, trimming remaining peel fragments or eyes by hand. Any potatoes that do not meet quality standards are immediately removed. Approved potatoes are transferred to industrial dicing machines. Precision blades cut them into uniform cubes, ensuring even heat transfer during cooking. Consistent cube size is essential for texture control later in the process. Before full cooking, the cubes pass through a blanching stage. Warm water gently raises their temperature, stabilizing starches and preparing them for steam cooking. This step helps maintain color and texture. The cubes then enter large-scale steam cookers. Saturated steam cooks the potatoes evenly without submerging them in water. Temperature and exposure time are continuously monitored to achieve the ideal softness. Once cooked, the potatoes move to seasoning vessels. Measured amounts of real cream, butter, salt, and seasonings are added. All ingredients are precisely dosed to maintain the signature Bob Evans flavor profile. The seasoned potatoes pass through industrial ricers. Rather than aggressive blending, the ricer gently presses the potatoes into a fluffy, uniform mash. This method prevents gumminess and preserves a homemade texture. The mashed potatoes enter low-shear mixing systems. These mixers fold the ingredients together evenly without breaking down the potato structure. The result is smooth, creamy mashed potatoes with consistent texture throughout. The finished mash flows to automated filling lines. Exact portions are dispensed into branded Bob Evans containers. Each package is immediately sealed to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Sealed containers move through a spiral chilling system. Cold air rapidly lowers the product temperature, locking in quality and ensuring food safety compliance. Temperature probes continuously verify proper chilling. Trimmed material and off-spec potatoes may be diverted for secondary processing, such as dehydration into potato flakes. This minimizes waste and maximizes raw material efficiency. After final inspection, Bob Evans mashed potatoes are palletized and sent to refrigerated distribution centers. From there, they travel to grocery stores across the country. That's how farm-grown russet potatoes become Bob Evans mashed potatoes, consistent, creamy, and ready to serve.